G'day everyone, welcome to Dave's Driven. Today we got a little unboxy of the last boxy from T3. Not the last because of any other reason, but I think I've pretty much put everything on my car that they do so far. Let's open this. Oh no, yes. I get so excited. Bubble wrap and parts. Alright. Got me a sticker. Is it starting to come together for you? Alright, let's get this wrap off. Change your perspective there. Yeah, let's just go into it because I can't wait any longer to tear into these. Oh, no way! No way! Yay! It says 280ZX. How silly do I sound right now? That's fantastic. It's rare to find parts for the 280ZX or people like producing parts to this standard, and you never get 280ZX on anything. You know what I mean? It's always like just generic, but this proves it. It's made for it. Oh wow. That is far out. That's nice. Look, no cuts. I know it sounds funny, but no sharp edges. Alright. I'd assume this one's the same. I love it being black. Oh yes. Let's go for this bit. Highly satisfying. Goodness. I'm really digging the look and feel of this. It sounds so silly, but I didn't even think like about colors and stuff. I just got it, and yeah, really happy with T3's color choice in all honesty. It's kind of wrinkle black charcoal. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have to do a cut for this. Sorry guys, I'm just too excited. Plastic on. Not a scratch. Doctor, not a scratch. Once again, hey, look, it's a bit of bent metal, sure, but build quality's there. I really respect that. Now, this is where the design gets really interesting. Fine, shut up. Anybody else feel like I should be wearing gloves for this? Oh my goodness. I feel like I just bought like a T1000 kit. I'm about to put together the Terminator over here, guys. Far out. Oh, that is nice. That is very nice. Okay, a little more detail on this piece here. You got your T3 logo, which we all love. Looks sick. Hey, talked about Terminator earlier, and the S130F tri kind of etched in there too, just in case you didn't know what it was once it goes on the car. All in all, great quality, exactly what you'd expect from T3. 280ZX, front drive, brace, hardware, all really good hardware and fixings that you get from T3. Now, I'm usually a cut twice, measured nunts kind of guy, but when it comes to new parts, I do like to get them on the bench and kind of map it out, because I don't know what I'm doing. Never done a strut brace before. These parts go to the strut towers. This will connect to your firewall and then to your braces here. It's gonna need a little shimmying on the car, but I wanted to show everyone exactly what we're going for. Alright, so what do I do? These two bits of hardware. Got an eyelet going through this nice black one, and a spacer, which is sick. So you're gonna use this to hold top bar in place for these crossbars. Another bit of hardware here. That downwards, spacer on the outer side, and you're away in terms of connecting these parts up. There you have it. It's built. Really isn't much to it in terms of, you know, putting it together. Getting these the right length. You've got adjustment in both of these, obviously. Twisty, get to where it needs to be. Big bolts here, done. We'll talk more about the design of this, I think, next video when we're actually doing the installation. Good reason for it with the 280ZX. One of the few cars where the bonnet bulge isn't just for looks. Alright guys, that's it for this unboxing, part layouting video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm going to link to another one of my older videos where I actually work on the car and install. So those of you new to the channel can check that out, that'd be really sweet. Once again, thanks for the support, I really appreciate it, and see you next time.